Stay there, Susie.
Hi, Cookie.
There's the cook.
Hi, Cookie. How you doing? This is our friend Cookie. He's sort of the mascot. If you notice on his foot, he's got a bandage because he has bumblefoot, and so you have to change his socks every day. But isn't he a cutie? Come on, Cookie. Come on, Cookie. Come on, Cookie. Come on, little one. Come here, Cookie. Come on, Cookie. You're a pretty bird. There he is. Ooh. Sorry about that. There's Cookie. Come on. Come on, Cookie. No? That's it? That's all we do today? Good boy. I finally got that on tape. Very good, Cooks.